private, peaceful mountain property, boasting plenty of sun-filled open space rimmed by evergreens, this beautifully updated home features Brazilian cherry hardwood floors throughout the living area and bedrooms, and luxuriously heated tile floors in the bathrooms. The spacious living room has a vaulted, open beam ceiling, large fan-assisted wood-burning fireplace of geode-laden rock with sandstone hearth, track lighting, and 2-picture windows. A gorgeous kitchen open to the living room features an abundance of granite slab counters and handsome maple cabinetry. A wide corner-set sink is topped by a raised triangular counter area between 2 front-facing windows. Tile backsplash with decorative rows of glass, raised breakfast bar, a recycling cabinet with countertop opening, and painted wood center island add to this kitchen. One generously proportioned bedroom has a wide closet with storage beneath, built-in desk, and track lighting. 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths total. The master bedroom has French doors opening to the side yard, a window to the front, and attractive frosted glass light fixture. A patterned glass door opens into the grand travertine master bath. Its features include oversized shower with fixed and handheld rain heads, temperature control knob, 2 niches, pebbly tile accent, frameless glass door, and operable skylight, allowing steam to escape and fresh air to enter, and granite countertop on a charming vanity. A mere 15 minutes from downtown Los Gatos, this home offers a secluded retreat above the bustle of the valley, where stargazing is a viable pursuit.